Can you hear me okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright, one shot. Alright, so, like, DDR is really fun. And I started playing in, like, 1999, my local arcade after high school. And it was, like, the first version of DDR that had, like, 12 songs. And I thought it was just really cool. I didn't think anything much of it, but, like, the arcade that we had, like, Para Para and Beat Mania. And Beat Mania is super fun too, but like, that was like my intro to like rhythm games. And from there, I played like a lot of Extreme, or like Max 1 and Max 2. But I played like a lot of Extreme, and like, I really like playing like Can't Stop Falling in Love Speed Mix. And like, I really like Stoic, and DXY was really fun charts. There's some really good charting back then. I think like Love Shine was a really good chart too, even though like it was like overplayed and like number one on like everyone, on like all the players' best like songs at every fucking arcade. But it was a good time. And then like after that, I like tried a bunch of in the group, and I thought brackets were a cool concept, but I guess because of the technology back then, it was really hard to hit brackets and stuff. But I wish I was like really young and playing ITG currently, because there's a lot of like really cool concepts, and it's really fun, and it's great to see this community really thrive, because like DDR is kind of ass right now, but ITG has been super fun, and I'm very thankful for the community to make ITL and all the other tournaments too, like SRPG, and like it really reinvigorated my love for the game. And I think everyone should play this game because it's really fun. That was fun. I did it. What a silly challenge. All right, everyone do that. Do that shit. Yeah.